Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Jason. I go by the nickname Fozzie or Fossy Bear. And I typically do unboxings on this channel. And this video will be no different. This is going to be an unboxing. This is a little late in the month. This is actually for the February box of the SlayGlam box. So I will put all the details about the subscription down below in the description here. But because it's so late in the month, you probably have already seen what's in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this fairly quickly. But I did want to say beforehand, my subscriber number is picking up, which is great. I am so close to 900. My goal is 1,000 right now. So I will be doing more giveaways in my videos. But you're gonna have to watch the video because I will not put giveaway in the title, most likely. There may be rare occasion where I do put giveaway in there, but anyway. So you just have to watch the video and see if I'm going to keep or give away the items in the video. So let's go ahead and just get into this. Now, normally it comes in a box that's shaped like a handbag, but this month it did not, which I don't really mind. I mean, it's a cute like novelty, but I don't use the boxes for anything, so it doesn't really matter to me. But it came in a box this month with some lips on it, I guess for Valentine's Day, you know, kisses. And then when you open that, everything is wrapped really well in the bubble wrap. So let's just go ahead and open this up. I have my handy little dagger here. Hopefully I will open this without damaging any of the items. They taped it really well, so unless I know for sure that I'm going to keep the item, I will not swatch it. So let's see what's in this. Sorry about the plastic ASMR here. They wrap it really well. So, okay. So we've got something wrapped here. Throw that out. And then we've gotten everything else in here. So let's go ahead and take this out first. And this is, looks like an eyelash curler set. So you get the pink eyelash curler. I have an eyelash curler already, so I'm not going to take this out of the bag or the box. Mana Beauty Simplified. So it looks like it might come with think, Jason, think. Mascara as well. So I will keep this and put it in a future giveaway. Maybe even a giveaway happening sooner. So we'll see. Let's go ahead and look at the other stuff. Now, I'm just going to pull them out in any order. We've got this Oaklyn Perfect Liquid Liner. So I don't use liquid liners, but I know that this one, I'm pretty sure this one is red. Yeah, wine red. So I don't know if this is something that I'm going to hang on to because I don't do well with liquid liners. So I probably won't use this, and I can't really think of a time that I would use red eyeliner. At least not for the eyes. Maybe if I'm doing some kind of graphic look, maybe I'll hold on to it for that. Because if I'm doing some kind of like fantasy look, where I need to like outline certain things. So let's go ahead and pull this out. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this and see how red this actually is. I'm not gonna put it on my eyes. I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand, but yeah. So we got that. I'm gonna put it obviously a little bit thicker because I want you to see. But there we go. So yeah, it's nice and red. So I will hold on to this, and let's see how quickly that dries. I'd be really curious. It doesn't feel dry yet, so I don't want to smear it, but oh, yeah. So that's pretty good. Yeah, that didn't smear. All right, well, I'm impressed with that. Okay, so let's move on. This is also by Oaklin, and this is, what is this? Looks like it's a gloss. I don't have my glasses on and I can't really read it, but let's go ahead and see. Yeah, it looks like it's a gloss in like a copper shade. I already have a gloss on right now, so I'm not going to swatch this. And this is really not a color that I think I'm going to use, so I don't want to swatch it. I'm going to go ahead and put it aside to put in a future giveaway. So we will put that aside. I don't want to... this is from Manicadar, and I don't think I've ever actually owned anything from Manicadar, so I'm kind of excited for this. This is a Blossom Floral Compact, and let's see here. Let's open this up, and obviously it's a blush, but let's see what this looks like. So you get your black case here, and got a nice mirror in there. When you open her up, this is what you get. So let's go ahead and see what these, because I will hold on to this just because I've never owned anything from Manicadar. So we've got this shade, we've got this shade, and we've got this shade. So those three there. Oops. Put that aside there. Let's see if these even show up on. So that's going in once. You can barely see, but that's the one color. The middle you can barely see on me. But that's fine. I'd rather have them be buildable than be too pigmented and put too much on and then have to redo the makeup again. And I am destroying this compact with this stupid... I am going to take this out because this is doing nothing but destroying the compact. So, all right, we've got this. I'm gonna go ahead and move on. And it looks like we've got the last item, which is a palette. Excuse me, I dropped the bag. And this is from Lorella. I used to subscribe to Lorella, and I canceled just because it was okay. It just wasn't anything that spectacular. So I was trying to figure out where I could save my money, and Lorella happened to be the one. So I'm gonna wipe my hand off with the swatches here. And oh, that's nice too. So that eyeliner didn't smear, but it comes off really easy with a makeup wipe. So, all right. So I'm not going, this is actually still got the shrink wrap on it. I am not going to take the shrink wrap off because this is going to go right into a future giveaway. I like Lorella's formula is fine, but it's nothing that spectacular for me. So I have other eyeshadow palettes that I need to start using. So I'm not going to add this one to my collection, but this will go in a future giveaway. So I think that comes to the end of this box, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, and I believe that it's a $25 a month box, but like I said, I'll put it in the description below. And there's 3 things in here that I'm not going to use, so I think I'm going to put these in a giveaway for this video. So I will leave all the description, all the details for the giveaway in the description below. But you will be getting the eyeshadow palette, you will be getting the lash kit and the lip gloss. I may throw in like 2 more items just to make it an even 5 item like you'd gotten the box yourself. But of the items that we got, the ones I'm keeping are the blush and the liner. So, yeah. My typical rules apply for my giveaway, but like I said, everything will be below in the description. And the most important thing for the giveaway is that you have to be subscribed to my channel. And if you are not subscribed already, obviously this would be the perfect opportunity for you to hit that subscribe button. Like I said, my goal is 1,000 subscribers right now, and I am very close. So I will be having probably more giveaways because I'm kind of on this, I don't want to keep too much because it sits there and the shelf life expires. So yeah, I don't want that to happen. I want to be able to give items to you guys that are supporting me out there. So yeah. Okay, so look in the description below for the giveaway details. But if you have not shared my channel already, please do that with your friends and family. That would be greatly appreciated. And that'll do it for this video. This is what, 11? Okay. Not bad, Jason. You got it, you know, around 10 minutes. So, yeah. Thank you again. I will be filming another video, so keep an eye out for that as well. And, yeah, I hope everybody out there is staying happy, healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.